Hello students, today in this video we are going to study about uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So let's see what is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. So first we will going to see that what is uniform motion. So uniform motion is the motion when object travels equal distance in equal interval of time. We can say that an object is in uniform motion when it travels equal distance in equal interval of time. So let's see this with the illustration. Here you are able to see that here is the bus A. This bus starts moving at 9 a.m. at the time 9 a.m. and after 10 means at 10 a.m. when we check, then we will found that this bus covered 2 kilometer. So from it starts at 9 o'clock, at 10 o'clock it covers 2 kilometer. So in 1 hour it covers 2 kilometer. Then again when at 11 a.m. when we check it, we found this bus again covered 2 kilometer. So here from 10 to 11 a.m. it also 1 hour. So what we have found here, this bus is covered 2 kilometer in 1 hour. So it start from when it start at 9 o'clock, at 10 o'clock it covers 2 kilometer within 1 hour, and again next 1 hour it covers again 2 kilometer. So it shows that this bus is showing the uniform motion because it travels equal distance. That equal distance is your 2 kilometer, again 2 kilometer. So object travels equal distance in equal interval of time, and here you are able to see that the time is 1 hour. In next 1 hour it also moved to 2 kilometer. So we can say that this bus is in uniform motion. You are able to see in your house the clock. The arms of the clock also move in the uniform motion. It covers the distance. It covers the same equal distance in equal interval of time. So this is all about your uniform motion, means object travels equal distance. Here the bus is travel 2 kilometer in every 1 hour. Every next 1 hour it covers 2 kilometer. That means it's showing the uniform motion. So let's see what will be the graph of this uniform motion. So here we will able to see the graph. Here three types of graph is here, but before discussing about the graph, first we will see the non-uniform motion. So this is all opposite to the uniform motion, that object travels unequal distance in equal interval of time. So again take an example that here this is the path and the bus is here. Bus is moving. So at 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. this bus starts at 9 a.m. At 10 a.m. when we check in 1 hour, we check the bus travels 2 kilometer. And again when we check the bus at 11 a.m. So from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. when we check at 11 a.m. we found that bus covered 3 kilometer. So here the distance is not same. Sometime bus covers 2 kilometer in 1 hour, and in the next 1 hour we found the bus travels 3 kilometer. Then again at 12 noon when we check, the bus cover 4 kilometer in 1 hour. So it shows not constant. It shows that there is a unequal distance covered by the bus. First it covered in 1 hour, it covered 2 kilometer. In next 1 hour it covered 3. In next 1 hour it covered 4 kilometer. So it shows that the bus is not covered the same distance, equal distance in equal interval of time. It shows that the object is travel or covered unequal distance here, 2 kilometer, 3 kilometer, 4 kilometer in equal interval of time. So in each hour we are able to see that here the bus is covering different distances. So that in this way we can say that this bus is they are in non-uniform motion. They are non-uniform motion. Basically, when athlete runs, sometimes the speed of the athlete it covers more distance, sometimes it covers less distance. So this way this is known as non-uniform motion. Now let's see the graph. It's very important to find the motion, uniform and non-uniform motion in the graph. So here you already know about the uniform motion, means object travels equal distance in equal interval of time. So here this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. In x-axis we put the time and in the y-axis we put the distance. Here the 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 20 minutes, the time is given, and here the distance, meter or in kilometer you can put according to the question. So here the 1, 2, 3, the distance in meter or kilometer, that is given. So here when we take the meter seconds here, then we take the meter, and if we take the kilometer, when we take the kilometer here, then we take the hour. So basically meter or second we will take. So when we take if an object moves 1 kilometer at 5 seconds, in 5 seconds, so we can put here, that is the graph we will form. Now in the next one, after 5 seconds, at 10, the object covers 2 meter. Object covers 2 meter. So can we put here 2 meter? So here you are able to see the differences. There is a 5 second difference is there. Here 10 and 15 also 5, 15 or 25 seconds difference is there. Here 1, 2, 3 kilometer is there. So in every after 5 seconds the object is traveling 1 meter. The next again in 15 second means 10 from when it start from 10 to 15 means after 5 seconds it covers 1 kilometer more, 1 meter, sorry, 1 meter, we are taking meter here, so it covers 3. So here in 5 seconds it cover 1 meter, in 10 seconds it cover 2 meter, in 15 seconds it cover 3 meter. So you will find a straight line graph in the uniform motion. Straight line graph in the uniform motion. So you are able to see that when you connect all the 3 points you will get a straight line graph. Means object travels equal distance in equal interval of time. Now in non-uniform motion we already discussed that object is not covering equal distance, means unequal distance in equal interval of time. So here again same time is here, distance is here, all the variables are written in this form. So if object travels 1 kilometer or meter, 1 meter in 5 seconds, we will put here. Then after in 10 seconds means after the 5 second means at 10 second it covers 3 kilometer. it covers 3 kilometer, and then in 15 it covers 4 kilometer. So you will find the graph is something curve. You will find the graph is something curve like structure. So, and you will may take one more, that is in 20 it may be of 3 kilometer. So you will find the graph is of curve type graph. So here you will find that unequal distance in equal interval of time, that is of non-uniform motion. You will find the graph is slightly curve, and here you will find a straight line graph. In 20 it will cover 3 kilometer. It's a difference. Again in the 25 it can covers 2. If it is covering 2 kilometer, the graph becomes curve like structure. So here you will find that in non-uniform motion, object travels unequal distance. Here at 5 seconds it shows 1 meter. In after 5 seconds means at 10 it shows 3, and in 20 it shows again 3. So there is a unequal distance it is covering. So that shows the non-uniform motion. Here you will find one more graph, and this is, here you are able to see that the line is a straight and parallel to the x-axis. So here this is your time, this the same as it is your distance. So what about this graph? This is called the stationary graph. So this type of graph shows there is no any motion takes place. Means at 5 second again the object is at 2 kilometer. In 10 second again it is at 2 kilometer. In 15 second again it is, and so on. It is on same, means it is not moving. It is as in the 2 kilometer, means it is at constant position, means it is not moving. So you are able to see that in the 5 second again this object is at 2 kilometer. In 10 second after this you are able to see the object in the same at 2 kilometer. In 15 also you are able to see that object is at same at the 2 kilometer. So you are able to see that here there is a no changes in the position of the object, means the object is at rest or the stationary position. So this is all about the 3 types of graph. That is your uniform motion graph. It is always a straight line graph, and object travels equal distance in equal interval of time. Non-uniform, the graph will be slightly curved because of the unequal distance covered by the object in equal interval of time. Or here you will find that there will be a stationary graph where the object is at constant position, so object is not moving. So here you are able to see that 3 different types of graphs.